Careers for Nurses. Search by your specialty, the shifts you want to work, and the salary that you want to make. With so many employers hiring on LinkedIn, finding the perfect job is even more simplified. So don't spend months searching. Go to linkedin.com/nurses and find out why in the past year, more than 1.5 million nurses have used LinkedIn to search for their next role. That's linkedin.com/nurses.
All votes must be counted and tallied on election day. Done. Any ballot that comes in afterwards is void. Too bad. Too bad. Although, play other games.
Video protected.
Republican county mailed in these ballots and we just lost the bag. But they can do that now anyway. It should be that on election day, we stop at midnight. All votes that have not been counted are cut off, and that is per the Constitution. It also says the states can handle their elections through their legislature as they see fit. But it also says we have one day. I say at midnight, November 6th, no more. That's it. The votes that are in, and if you failed as a state to properly count this, that's too bad. And that's Republicans too. So,